So how to check your credit score on NatWest. So to check your credit score on NatWest, if you open up the app, you'll just want to click on the profile section at the top right here. Then once you've done that, it will open you up to this page here. And then to find out your credit score, you just want to click right here where it says know your credit score. And then from there, to view your credit score for free, you just want to click on get your score at the bottom here. And then from there is an opt-in agreement. So make sure to give it all a read. And if you're happy with everything, you can then go ahead and select to see your credit score. And then once you've done that, just give it some time to load. And then you'll then be welcomed with your new credit score. And it should also come with some information on how you can also look to improve that score. And on top of that as well, you can also view the report, which will give you a brief rundown of your financial situation. So that could be things like debt, mortgages, and how much of your credit limit you're actually using. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.